Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Not much to add. So VeChain is still in the support region. As I said before, bullish support is 1.52 cents or 1.51. As long as VeChain is holding that and avoids a sustained break below that level, theoretically this 1-2 setup is still valid. So far, as you know, VeChain hasn't given us any indication that a low is in place. So we've never had a break above the trend line. And yeah, so we're coming down quite aggressively. Obviously, that support must hold. If not, then we see potentially new bear market lows. Official invalidation of this 1-2 setup is the 1.34 cent level. And let's see if it holds. I mean, that's all we can do, really. Message has been consistently to be careful with altcoins because the moves of the June lows were not impulsive. They were only diagonal structures, which leave the door open here for the blue wave count, which I never took off the chart for a good reason, because that could still lead to a new low. That is just how it is, you know, in a situation in which we had a corrective move of the lows, no impulse. I've seen many Elliott wave analysts count these moves as impulsive. They are not. They are all diagonals, all these altcoins, which is why I want continuously. Few altcoins we were tracking bullish scenarios. A lot of them still active, yeah. But obviously we're coming down quite deep. Bitcoin also seems to have a bit of a capitulation sell-off. So yeah, let's see how this is going to play out. It's definitely interesting. It was about time for a sell-off anyway. We knew it was coming for Bitcoin and ETH. So yeah, let's see. And not much more to add, honestly. We need to wait for a clear signal that trend is turning around in a situation where we have a diagonal to the upside, because these always need to prove themselves. How do they prove themselves? Well, 5 waves up anyway. That's what we need first. Then a corrective move down into support. And then we need evidence that this support is holding. So far, it hasn't given us any kind of small impulse to the upside. So support is 1.65 cents. That's where we are now. Below that level, 1.52, which is the 78.6 FIB level. Below that level, as I said, it could still turn around below that level, but then the probabilities will reduce. And invalidation is 1.34 cents, and we now oversold on the 4-hour, as many other altcoins as well. We now see a bit of capitulation on the Bitcoin chart just now, so it could very much be that next few days we'll see a bit of a recovery. And the daily chart is also nearly oversold here on the RSI. Still could drop a bit lower, but last time here we were massively oversold. We had quite a bit of a rally, so it feels like market is getting interesting at the moment. And yeah, we're certainly coming into interesting territory. Time before we had this here, similar level. Yeah, also significant rally. Nothing impulsive, but still a decent corrective rally. And yeah, so let's see if price can form a low here. If not, it could just be a marginally lower low before it then gives us another attempt to turn around. Yeah, looking at the weekly chart, actually, here you can see that we've seen already bullish divergences emerge on the weekly. Okay, so I guess ideally we're getting close to the end of this bear market, but again, without 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and confirmation that support is holding, still time to be careful in the altcoin sector. But when there is a chance, we're tracking bullish scenarios. There are not many altcoins where it's worth doing anyway. The vast majority is just bearish, and I've been saying that, and we see that. So let's see if VeChain holds. And as long as support is holding, we have to treat it like that. But of course, I also have to highlight that at the moment there is no indication that there is a turnaround. Okay, that's my update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.